Have you ever scrambled around your wallet in a panic, desperately needing to know your account balance before that afternoon shopping spree? Or maybe you're budgeting for a big vacation and need a quick update on your spending. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a much faster and easier way to check your Capital One balance without the wallet diving dramatics? That's right. Forget sifting through receipts or waiting for the mail. In today's video, we're diving into the world of convenient account management and revealing the quickest way to check your Capital One balance anytime, anywhere. Now, there are actually a couple of different methods you can choose from, depending on your preference. So, whether you're a tech whiz or a phone traditionalist, we've got you covered. For the tech-savvy viewers out there, the Capital One mobile app is your best friend. It's free to download, super secure, and puts all your financial information at your fingertips. Simply log in using your secure credentials, navigate to the specific account you want to check, and voila! Your current balance is displayed prominently. Plus, the app allows you to do a whole lot more, like track recent transactions, make payments, and even deposit checks electronically with some account types. Pretty neat, huh? But maybe you're not a smartphone person, or you find the app a little daunting. No worries. Capital One offers a good old-fashioned phone service that gets the job done just as efficiently. There are actually two phone number options available, depending on whether you prefer an automated system or want to speak to a live representative. For a quick and automated balance check, you can dial the number directly printed on the back of your Capital One card. This is a great option if you just need the raw number and don't have any other questions or concerns. However, if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can call Capital One's General Customer Service line at 1-800-CAPITAL 1-800-227-4825. Once connected, follow the prompts or speak to a representative to get your balance retrieved. This option is also handy if you have any other account-related questions you need answered. Now, remember, for security reasons, you might be asked to verify some personal information before accessing your account details. This is completely normal, so have your social security number or account number handy if using the phone service. So, there you have it. No more frantic wallet searches or waiting for statements. With the Capital One mobile app or a quick phone call, you can check your balance effortlessly and stay on top of your finances with ease. Remember, financial management is all about empowering yourself with knowledge. By keeping track of your spending, you can make informed decisions, reach your financial goals faster, and avoid any unwanted surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to navigate the wonderful world of personal finance.